Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you 2 ways to make money doing what you love. That's right, you can make as much money as you want doing what you love with these 2 simple methods. Okay, let's get right to it. I'm going to give you an example. Let's say that I love cars, which I do. I really like cars. Okay, the first way is an online method, and it involves creating a social media account surrounding what you love. So I love cars. I could start a YouTube channel about cars, maybe car reviews. I could start a YouTube channel about videos of different cars, myself driving different cars for the first time, new features in cars, or a YouTube channel about all of the above, okay? I could start an Instagram account about cars. I could start a Snapchat account about cars. I could start a website. So it's not only social media, it's an online asset, I meant to say. I could start a website about cars, a blog about cars, okay? I could refer people to, the coolest car products online in some way, shape, or form. The point is, if you start an online asset surrounding what you love, and you gain an audience, so you gain followers, you gain subscribers, you gain readers, you can monetize that in like hundreds of ways, okay? You can monetize it through advertising, through affiliate links, you can build an email list, you can create an online course, you can create an actual course in real life, you can sell your own product after you've created it, you can create a digital product like an ebook and sell it. There are literally hundreds of ways to monetize that online asset once you've developed it. The point is, choose something that you love, create an online asset about that thing, and guess what? You can monetize it. You can make as much money as you want. It's not unusual, it's not unheard of, I should say, for people to make, 7 figures a year on a blog about the thing that they love, or on a YouTube channel, or on an Instagram account. You gotta be passionate about it though, okay? The second way that I want to outline is an offline venture, and that is sort of to build a convention or an offline group of people. So let's say, like I said, that I love cars. I could figure out how to create a car show. And all that I would have to do is figure out, sorry about that, a group of people that are interested in bringing their cars to this venue. I could rent out a venue, get a whole bunch of people that are willing to bring their cars and display their cars for free because they have these cars that they want to show off, get some vendors, so some people that are willing to set up a table at the venue and use that vendor money to pay for the venue, and then all of the ticket sales for this convention of the cars on display are profit for me. So let me break that down again, okay? You rent a venue. Okay, you figure out who's going to bring cars for free to display at this venue. You get vendors that are willing to pay you to set up a table to show off their company because you're going to have lots of people, hundreds, thousands of people there. You use the vendor money to pay for the venue that you rented, and all of the ticket sales of the people attending are profit for you. And you could do that every weekend in the year. You could do that 52, let's say you take 2 weekends off. 50 weekends a year you could do that, traveling from city to city. And you can make a lot of money. Like, you could easily make, high 6 figures, if not 7 figures a year doing that, if you do it every weekend. Okay, it's simple. Those are 2 ways to make money doing what you love. There are many ways that you can make money doing what you love, but the key is it's going to take hard work, it's going to take dedication, and you got to pick something that you're passionate about. If I don't like landscaping, I wouldn't choose landscaping. I like landscaping, but if I didn't like it, I wouldn't choose it. If I loved cars, I would choose cars. If I love technology, I would choose technology. Create a technology convention, okay? Create a technology YouTube channel where you review new tech stuff. It's endless, it's limitless. You just got to get out there and do it. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.